Hi all, in the microwave measurement part, next we will discuss about the instrument power meter. So what is power meter? This is a microwave power meter is an instrument which measures the electrical power at microwave frequencies typically in the range 100 MHz to 40 GHz, and will be consist of a measuring head. So it contains the actual power sensing element connected via a cable to the meter which displays the power reading. So the head may be referred to as a power sensor or mount. So different power sensors can be used for different frequencies or power levels. In most power sensor and meter combinations, the sensor would convert the microwave power into an analog voltage which would be read by the meter and converted into a power reading. So the microwave power meters have a wide bandwidth, they are not frequency selective. And the types of power meter. There are a number of ways in which R of power, including the microwave power, can be measured. As a result, there are different classes of test instrument that can be used for R of power measurement. First one is inline R of power meters. These R of power meters take a sample of the power flowing along a feed line and use this to indicate the power level. And these inline R of power meters are used on live systems such as radio transmitters as a check of the outgoing power. They are normally directional and can be used to check the power traveling in either direction. And the absorptive R of power meters. Next one is, so these R of power meters absorb the power they measure. The simple meters can be analog types that are formed in a single unit consisting of an R of load, the sensing diodes, and an analog meter. The more advanced types utilize an external power sensor that can be connected close to the power source. So measurements made by absorptive R of power meters are frequency insensitive. They measure the total power entering them regardless of frequency, which means within the overall frequency limitations of the instrument. So the absorptive R of power meters with external sensors typically have either digital readouts or many of these types provide a display on which the result can be seen in the most convenient format. When selecting an R of power meter or a microwave power meter, it is important to select the correct type of power sensor. So, power is a measure of energy per unit time and it is typically measured in watts. This is a energy transfer at the rate of 1 joule per second. Many power levels are expressed in terms of dBm and dP watt. As the decibels in a ratio, these are power levels expressed in terms of decibels relative to a milliwatt and a watt respectively. Wherever RF signals are present, it is necessary to be able to measure the power levels and dedicated RF power meters or watt meters. So this power instrument, by using this power meter, we will measure the power in the microwave. So this is an inline R of power meters and absorptive R of power meters. By using these two types of power meters, we will measure the power.